Hello, kindergarten. So, you guys have been doing such an amazing job with drawing pictures, labeling your pictures, and trying to spell words the best you can. This week in writing, we're going to focus on writing the beginning sounds in our words. So, our beginning sounds is the first sound you hear in a word. So, I'm going to show you how I will write the beginning sounds in each word I want to write. So, our topic for this week is writing about I am thankful for. So, first thing I need to do is think about my picture. I need to think about the topic and what I want to draw. So, let me see. What am I thankful for? I'm thankful for a lot of things, but one of the main things I'm thankful for is my family. So I'm thankful for my family. In my mind, I'm picturing my husband, my son, my daughter, my mama, my brother and sisters. So I'm thinking about my family. So I'm going to draw my family. I'm going to draw my daughter. She is 7 months. Little ponytails. Okay, it's not the best, but okay. So that's my daughter, Khadijah. Draw my son, Ibrahim. He's almost 3. I'm thankful for him. This is Ibrahim. Thankful for my husband. Make sure I label my pictures. I know husband starts with the H. Bend. Husband. Okay, so that's my family. I'm gonna draw myself too, so that you know I'm part of my family. This is my scarf. Okay. Label it me. So you've been practicing labeling your pictures. Now, to make my picture more complete, I'm going to make sure I draw my setting so you know where we are. I'm going to draw my couch so that you know we're in the living room. I have a lot of pillows on my couch. My couch. Draw a picture behind us because I have pictures on the wall. my picture, artwork in the back. Okay, so I have my picture. I am thankful for. So one thing good writers do is they can use the topic to help them to write the sentence. So I'm going to copy the sentence starter, I am thankful for, so that I can spell those words correctly. I am, and I make sure I put a space between each word. Thankful for. So that's the beginning of my sentence. I want you to start your sentence the same way. I am thankful for. So I am thankful for my. Now my is a sight word, so I know how to spell that. M-Y. My family. So help me spell family. What's the first sound you hear in family? Family. I hear a f, and I know F says f, so I know it starts with f. My family. Okay. They make. How you spell make? Let's see. Let me sound it out. M says a make. They make me is a sight word. I know how to spell it. M-E. They make me. So, what's the first sound you hear in so? You hear the sound too? Yes, I know. SS. So, they make me so happy. So, the first sound in happy is, I know H says, so I'm going to write a H, P. They make me so happy. So, our goal today was to write the beginning sounds of our words. It's okay if you don't know how to spell the whole words. Just make sure you at least write the first sound in the words. And then make sure you start your sentence with the sentence starter. I am thankful for. So let's read my story together. Sorry. I am thankful for my family. They make me so happy. So I wrote 2 sentences about my family. I want you to at least write 2 sentences. You can write 3 if you want. Try to write 2 sentences. And start your sentence with the sentence starter, I am thankful for. You can copy it from the topic. Include lots of details in your pictures so that we know where you are. So in my picture, I labeled everyone in my family, my kids, my husband, me. I included my couch and my painting so that you know I'm in my living room. Also in my living room, I have my dining table. So I'm going to try to draw that behind my kids so that you know where I'm at. Draw my chair, one of the chairs, 2 chairs. Include lots and lots of details so that we know where you are, where you're sitting. Okay, so this is a chair. Okay. It's my table. Table. Okay. Chair. I know CH says air. Air. Okay. So it's okay if you don't know how to spell, but please make sure that you write the beginning sounds of our words. That's what we're going to look for. If you can write the beginning sound in each word, include lots of details, label your pictures, put spaces between your words, and try to write at least 2 sentences. All right. I and your other teachers are excited to see what you are thankful for. Good luck writing your stories, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.